Hello and welcome to CreateLoveShare. I have another unboxing for you today. This is part 2 of my huge haul that I got from DIYChoose.com. So the first video had some diamond paintings and a cross stitch, and this one is a bunch of cross stitches. So this parcel, super impressed. This parcel came in 11 days, right over the Christmas period, which is quite impressive because everything else has been delayed, but this one made it through. So yay, I'm super happy. So anyway, in this one, it comes in your standard plastic bag, and I have a bunch of cross stitches. Woohoo! Okay, so I will start off with this one. So I think there's 5. And we'll see how far we get with this, so it's not too long. But anyway, so that is cross stitch number 1. So this one here, they are all Joy Sundaes. They come in these beautiful zip seal bags. And on the back, it has the instructions on how to cross stitch. It's very nice and clear and easy to read. So if you are a newbie, very easy to follow. If you're not a newbie, it also pays to have a bit of a read, because sometimes you can pick up some interesting hints and tips. So it comes in this beautiful bag. On the front here, it shows you everything that it contains. It says what it is, the flower of happiness, and it is a 14 count Ada, plus it's 17 by 17 centimeters. Where are we? There we go. So pretty. So inside your kit. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Okay, so in your kit, you've got your cover sheet, which we've already looked at. And we have your grid. So very easy to read. You have 12 colors. And on the full stitch, you've got 5 colors in your half stitch, and you have 2 back stitch colors. So that's easy done. It's only a little one, but easy to read. And you have your, oh my god, that's so tiny. I'm so used to buying really big ones. But I have bought a little one because I do like to sort of, you know, when I go and visit my parents and that sort of thing, I like to have like a little cross-stitch project as well as a diamond painting project. And because I have ginormous canvases in that, it's not practical. So I thought this would be a perfect little traveler. So as you can see, it is a stamped 14 count Ada, and it is very clear and easy to see your cross-reference for your colors. The Ada cloth itself is quite nice. It's got a little bit of stiffness to it, which I find is really handy when you're working on it. And then when you actually get rid of the dissolvable ink, your Ada cloth actually softens up a little bit, which is nice. It is hemmed around the edging, which is lovely. But isn't that just adorable? Oh, that is so cute. Gorgeous. And you have your colors. They give you, where are we? 2 needles in here. 2 needles. And pre-sorted threads. Aren't they gorgeous, those colors? Beautiful purples. And they're nice and long too, which is very handy. Very, very pretty. So gorgeous. Perfect little project to take with you wherever you go. So that is cross stitch number 1. Cross stitch number 2. So I got this one. I actually think it is really cool. It's something a little bit different. I normally go for sort of like what I just showed you before, and I thought, wow, I love this stained glass effect. I think it's really, really pretty. It's quite different, and I love dragonflies and I love lotus flowers. So again, Joy Sundae, Dragonfly and Lotus, and your size is 36 by 30 centimeters. again in your Ziploc bag. Come out. Okay, so you have your cover sheet and your graph, so nice and easy to see. Oh wow, oh isn't that gorgeous? Oh gosh, I love the colors. So on the back here it has, it's got your little thumbnail, and it also has your full stitches and your DMC references, and there are 24 colors. I reckon that's going to come up so pretty, and you know what, it's not going to be too hard to follow because you've got a lot of blocking. You've got a bit of blocking, and then in the wings you've got a bit of confetti, which gives you that really nice sort of depth and shading. That is so pretty. And here you've got your colors. I'll put them over there. So you've got your Aida cloth, again like the first one. It is hemmed along the edging, and it is stamped. Very, very easy to see and read. So you can see there, I love the blocking. Again, this is a good traveler because it's not too difficult to work out where you are and what colors you need, etc. Just work on those back bits. How cool is that? Gosh, that's pretty. And then, as usual, down the bottom there, they've got your cross-referencing for your colors. 160 stitches by 126. Really, really nice, manageable size. Beautiful. And your colors, again, you've got 2 needles. And you've got some beautifully pre-sorted colors. Nice and long. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? On the other side, you have 24 colors. And I've just found with their Aida cloth and their stranded cotton, I've had no troubles with them. They're very easy to work with. Just gorgeous. Oh, I'm looking forward to doing that one. That's going to be absolutely beautiful. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so this one's a little bit different. It is a Joy Sundae again. It is a two-toned or two-color cross stitch. I was going to say diamond painting. So the oval happiness tree. I have been watching this for a long time, and I thought I'm just going to get it because I just really like it. But I was kind of put off by just having the one color because I'll get pretty bored with it. And then I got it because I'm going to actually do this as a beaded cross stitch. So I have heaps and heaps of beads that I had from when I had a bit of a store ages ago. I have heaps and heaps of seed beads, and I thought, you know what, I've probably got enough to do about 10 of these trees in single colors. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to beaded cross stitch this one. It is a 28 by 21 centimeter and it is 14 count. So again, in your Ziploc bag. Okay. So you have your cover sheet, and you've got your directions, full stitch, one color, that's easy to follow. Backstitch. Is backstitch? Huh. Okay, we have backstitch as well. And there is your graph. So I'm just having a look. Oh, okay, so the backstitch is that bit around there in the blue. Gotcha. So very easy to read that one. Your colors, a lot of red. So I will do this one in red, I think. I've got heaps of that color. And you've got 2 needles as well. It's a lot of red. And there is your canvas. So again, I'll zoom it in there. You can see how clear that they put that that color on there. It's nice and sharp, nice to see. And again, your cross-reference. So this one should be nice and easy, and it's not too big. Because the thing with beaded cross stitch is it can get very, very heavy the bigger you go. So this is perfect size. And again, your hemmed edges, beautiful, beautiful size. So that's going to be really, really cool. I wouldn't mind doing it cross stitch anyway and doing a beaded one, but we'll see how we go. And cross stitch number 4. So this one, again, Joy Sundae, and this is long hair flying, 36 by 32 centimeter. Something a bit different. And where are we? Oh, got it. Gosh. Okay, again with your cover sheet. Oops, where are we? Cover sheet and your directions. So it's on glossy, really thick glossy. This one tells you 156 stitches by 138. Has your thumbnail and your graph. So look at that. You have no trouble at all reading that. Anything on the back? Oh yeah. So over here it tells you full stitch only, and you've got 4 colors, so nice and simple. Again, this is a good traveler one, not too complicated. Very easy to see that graph there, and it's got it in the middle as well. And there is your canvas. So it's another really good size. I have so many ginormous ones, so it's kind of refreshing to have something that I can finish a little bit sooner. But yeah, again, your hemmed edges, stamped cross stitch. You've got your symbol key down the bottom there. Again, very, very easy. I have no trouble with that. I won't even need my glasses. So with this one, I'm thinking I might bead cross stitch this as well, or I'll probably by that stage be sick of beaded cross stitch, but we'll see how we go. I'm just really into beaded cross stitch, just something a little bit different. It combines beading and cross stitch, and they're 2 of my favorite things. So I might do this one beaded as well. We'll see. And your colors as well. So again, you've got 2 needles and pre-sorted floss. These lengths are shorter. But again, I like the colors. I like the simplicity, I guess, too. So that's that one. And I saved the best for last. So seeing as I got so many easy ones, I thought, oh, I'm going to do a more harder one. So this one again, Joy Sundae. It is a fox. I absolutely love this image. I love foxes. It's a 14 count. It is 43 by 52 centimeters, so it's a nice size. Not too small, not too big. Again, in your zip seal bag. And if we can get it out. With great difficulty. It just barely fits in there. Wow. Oh boy. Okay. So again, your cover sheet. And you've got your chart. So this is much more complicated, but I love doing this sort of stuff. So you've got several pages there of your graph. It's very clear to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages. Very easy to see which goes where. And on that middle sheet, you have, where are we? There is your DMC cross-reference and your symbols. And you go all the way down to 39 colors. So that is going to have the most beautiful shading, depth of color. No, I lie, 45 colors. Wow. And no backstitch. That's good. Don't like backstitch. 45 colors. But isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, I love the colors. I love everything about it. Absolutely beautiful. So it's 195 stitches by 244. Gorgeous. Oh, let's get those guys there. Put them over there to the side. So our canvas. Now you're talking. That's something you can really sink your teeth into. Stamped, obviously. Check that out. There's a lot going on in there. But, having said that, you can clearly see each square with the different symbols. And like those little, where are we? These V's. Look how sharp that is. That's quite amazing because it can't be easy to print clearly on this sort of fabric, but that is super sharp. You can see that easy. So no issues there. And again, you've got your cross-referencing down the bottom. And to fit the rest of them in along the side. So I don't think there's going to be much issue there, even though it's a lot of colors and a lot of symbols. Like look at that. There's a lot of colors in that one section, and you can easily tell them apart. So that is going to look absolutely stunning. Oh, that's so pretty. And we'll have a look at those colors. Oh, they're nice and long too. So pre-sorted again. You've got 2 needles again. Yep. So that's your 31 to 45. Look at those colors. Oh, I just love them. Absolutely gorgeous. Super long. These guys as well. It's got one lot on each side. So that blue. So that's your sky bit. That's gorgeous. Look at those colors. They're so beautiful. And the other ones. How beautiful is that? Oh, it's going to be stunning. Gorgeous. Cannot wait to do that one. That will take me a little while though, but oh, it'll so be worth it. So there you go. My fox. Number 1. My lady with the long flowing hair. See if I can fit them all in there. The oval happiness tree. My gorgeous stained glass dragonflies and lotuses. And last but not least, the purple flowers. So that is part 2 of my big haul from DIYChoose.com. This should keep me busy for a little while. So as with most of the things that I unbox on my channel, keep your eyes peeled for further videos down the track because I will be doing works in progress and review on these guys and show you how they turned out. So that should be pretty interesting, but this will keep me busy for quite some time. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!